Hey everybody, good morning. It's been a while since we've been here at the shop. But today, first thing we're doing, little oil change on the Hellcat. Rick's hard at work already when I got here.
Good morning.
So, we're gonna head and change the oil on this thing. Nice. What year is this? 2000 what? 18 Hellcat. Look at that. Nice and pretty. So, you know, little maintenance stuff, a little oil change here. Change oil, and then we're gonna work on 79 Trans Am. We're gonna replace the master cylinder on it, bleed the brakes. It's up there on that lift, so we gotta get it down over there and get it over here. We'll update you more as we go. Oil's drained and in. We're gonna start her up. Do you have oil pressure? Huh? No oil light.
No.
Okay. All right, so we're good. Let's go ahead and shut it off. We'll check the oil. Now we're working on Eleanor over here. We have a battery charger on it. She's got some charging issues. So we put a new alternator on it. Actually, Rick had the alternator rebuilt. That's been installed. We got the motor here, nice and clean. Go through and clean her up, get her started. Have a little fun right now. You know, he's out here playing, and that's why we don't get anything done around here. So we worked on Thomas's truck, cleaning the carburetor a little bit. It's running a little better now. We're gonna go pick up a filter for it, and it's got the wrong size air filter on it. K&N. Clean that up, see if we can get that running a little better for him, and we'll go from there. Hit the horn. All right, we're getting them all running today. We got the General running. We got Eleanor running. We got muscle. Listen to all that muscle. Red. Next on the agenda, replacing the master cylinder on the 79 Trans Am and bleeding the brakes. Away we go. Master cylinder is in. We just had 2 bolts there, and then we had to take the 2 lines off, pull it out. We adjusted the arm on it. Now we're going to put some fluid in her, be nice and clean, and then we're going to bleed the brakes. Hopefully that takes care of our issue. The brakes are bled. The car, she stops. All is good. Another successful day here at the shop. We bled the brakes, installed the new master cylinder on the 79 Trans Am. We worked on the truck. We worked on, started a bunch of cars. We still got to work on Eleanor now. And, well, we're going to get back at it now. See ya.